Whether your app is about sports or a lifestyle, or something else entirely, it may need a user's location to record routes, recommend places nearby, or even connect them with other users in the area. HUAWEI Location Kit essentially provides three functions: fused location, geofencing, and activity identification. Convergent locating integrates GPS, Wi-Fi, and base station location data. A simple and easy-to-use API lets you quickly request a user's location and get an accurate response with a 99% success rate. Location Kit also supports offline locating, which greatly reduces your app's power consumption. If your app is a navigation or ride-hailing app, Location Kit powered by Super GPS can make huge improvements in user experience. For users wanting to catch a cab or know where to go, an app integrated with Location Kit can accurately tell which side of the street they're on, doubling the accuracy. The geofencing function allows you to set places of interest and the corresponding notification rules. When users enter or leave defined areas or stay there for a length of time, your app will automatically send them a notification. Location Kit supports on-chip geofencing, which consumes 35% less power than geofencing based on application processors. Location Kit's activity recognition function is particularly useful when integrated into health and fitness apps. HUAWEI devices contain multiple sensors that can detect different activities, such as walking, running, cycling, driving, or resting. These sensors send low-power signals to your app, which then uses this information to adapt services to users. HUAWEI Location Kit provides a better user experience by letting you add fast and accurate location features while using less power.